So this was the third time in a row that Reflex Aerospace had its own booth at Space Tech Expo Europe. This year was even better than the years before. Thanks to our marketing team, they hired a tattoo artist who was actually doing permanent tattoos there. And of course, our engineering team, they've been extremely happy. With all the suppliers that showed up there, they could really get a glimpse into like what's available on the market. HR, they've been maybe one of the most busy people there. A lot of people approached us, so from students to seniors. And lastly, personally me, working in the commercial department, I'm always surprised very positively because despite being a suppliers event, there are a lot of people coming to our booth asking for satellite solutions. That really shows that Reflex has to offer something that is very well received on the market. There has been a lot of interest in like the products and services that Reflex can deliver.